Stop, seriously, stop right now. If you are still translating English in your head before you speak, you will never be fluent. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss on the topic the translation trap. You are stuck in translation trap. You are listening, translating, thinking, and then finally speaking. By the time you get the sentence out, the moment gone. So today I'm going to show you how to kill that habit and start thinking in English. We have all been there. If someone asks you a simple question, your brain turns into a calculator. Wait, how do I say this in English? What is the tense? What is the grammar? And then silence. This embarrassment and awkward pauses is not because you are not smart. It's because your brain is trying to build a bridge between the two languages which don't always fit together. And it's exhausting, right? And now I will tell you a secret technique in which you don't need a textbook. Instead of textbook, you just need to change your lifestyle. And this technique is called radio technique. Walk around your house and talk. I am making coffee. I need a spoon. I need sugar. The water is hot. Try to describe the things as you see it rather than translating it. Try to substitute the things if you don't know the proper meaning of the word. For example, if you can't remember spatula, you can say if the thing which I used to flip the eggs. So in this way, you can substitute the meaning by making sentence. Try to keep the flow, never stop. Listen to me. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being fast. It's about confidence. When you stop translating, you stop being a student and start being a communicator. You will make mistake, but that is good. Mistakes are the price of admission to your fluency. If you are not making mistake, means you are not trying hard enough. I want you to challenge yourself. Write in the comments right now that I am an English thinker. Don't translate, don't give excuses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's stop translating and start speaking. See you in the next video. Thank you.